Hello, I'm Brent Schwieterman with Schwieterman Incorporated. I am one of several owners of the company. The company started in 1946, and we're on a third generation. Our grandpa Cy started it and had passed it down to his three sons, Jerry, Mike, and Dave, and his daughter Joyce. And they, and two now, have passed it on to us, which would be me, Brent Schwieterman, Brad Gerlach, Doug Schwieterman, and Scott Schwieterman. We primarily do farm drainage work throughout several counties, eastern Indiana into Auglaize County, Shelby County, Mercer County, Darke County, and down towards Dayton a little bit further than that. 95% of our work is all for the farmers. We do a little bit of residential work, sewage systems, and house drainage. We have been using Takeuchi equipment since the mid-2000s, I would say. We started out with just one piece of equipment. Didn't know much about it. Mike Early had introduced my uncle Mike to it, and had a good price on it. And he liked the fact that it had a nice roomy cab. A lot of the other machines had zero turn radius in them, so the cabs were really shrunk down. And for operators with heavy winter clothes on and big rubber boots, it was just hard to get into the machine. So we gave it a shot. Started out with one, and since then, we've added 5 more into our fleet and have really enjoyed how simple they are.
Run this machine for about 8 to 10 years, put about 5,400 hours on it. Very nice machine, hydraulic speed, everything's set up real nice. Got a lot of power, track speed's nice. Just a very sound machine, very low overhead, very little breakdowns. Just been a real nice machine, we're real pleased with it.
The maintenance has been outstanding. I mean, little to no upkeep on them, just regular services, a few electrical parts here and there, and some wear items is about it. I mean, nothing catastrophic as far as engines or anything like that. They're nice to getting into tight places, and they do excellent in mud for us. It helps really extend our drainage season, not using rubber tire equipment. So it has been a great addition to our company and has been very profitable. We had a Caterpillar 307 before our first Takeuchi, and it was all right. I don't think it lasted near as long as what these were. It kind of wore out, and then it just got to the point where we were throwing some extra money at the undercarriage and things like that. And they had I think Mike had said it had when he looked at that first one originally, it had a lot of, it was complicated. You know, he had to punch a bunch of things in the computer to get this things to work and dig the way you want it, and this was just a lot simpler for, you know, any operator to jump in and go. Columbus equipment's been great to us. We've used them for several years through Komatsu and then into Takeuchi now. It seems like we've got anything broke down, they jump and work on it right away. If there is a warranty issue, they'll send a rental out free of charge. If we get to the time of year where we need extra equipment, they are spot on that they have a rental equipment to us right away, and everything seems to be fair price. That really haven't had much of a reason to go anywhere else for those small excavator needs. They're very fair with trade-in prices, you know, when we're looking to turn equipment over, and definitely look forward to keep continuing working with them.